I took the shell off, and here's what we've got here. You can see the obstacle avoidance sensor there, obstacle avoidance sensor here. These are the two outside LEDs, and that must be the obstacle avoidance sensor here too. I'm not seeing the one on the back though. Let's see. No sensor on the back, but we've got two on the side and they appear to be connected up. I'm going to look further into this because the video is just not working at all. It's like really stuttering and stuff. I'll contact the company, see if I can get any joy from them. The whole sound card in here, not the sound card, this whole video card underneath here is just hanging loose, and that's where the problem lies. See if we can fix it, eh? The video on this drone was shaky and jello-y. I thought, man, that's crazy. It wouldn't even, you know, take any length of video without locking up. So I opened it up, and what I found here is, I found on this board here was just hanging loose within this housing, and this board is attached to the camera, so I think that definitely had something to do with it. What I did was put a couple of big dabs of glue on there to hold the board in place while it's flying. I put it on about 8 hours ago. I'll leave it another couple of hours and I'll put it all back together and see if it flies better. Fingers crossed. Then once the board's stuck down to the base, you can close up this cover area here. And this is where the loose circuit board for the camera was. So this is glued in, should be good now. Just got to make sure you put your screws back in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there on the final assembly part. Let's put the battery in and see what works, eh? Well, thanks for sitting through that. What do I think of this drone? Well, I think it looks great. You know, it has great potential, but at the end of the day, it's a toy. It's advertised as a toy. I didn't like the fact that they were saying it had brushless motors and GPS, which it didn't. It was a bit jumpy around, but you know, for what it is, it's great. You know, if you spend $23, you get your money's worth. I wouldn't fly it further away than, say, about 20-30 feet. It seems to have problems with communicating with the controller here. You know, it has problems communicating, but you'd lose your drone. I think it would probably fly off if you got beyond that range. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.